students, I am going to discuss the exercise 1.3 and the question number 1. Prove that under root 5 is irrational. For this, I assume that under root 5 is a rational number. If it is rational, then I can express under root 5 in the form of a upon b, where b is not equal to 0. Okay, now I will start writing. Let us assume that under root 5 is a rational number. If it is a rational number, then under root 5 is equal to a upon b, where b not equal to 0 and a and b both are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. If any two numbers are co-prime numbers, then their SCF is 1. Means if you calculate the SCF between those numbers, you will get the SCF is equal to 1. Okay. Now I have done squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. This become like this: a square on b square. Now put 1 here and apply cross multiplication. This become like this: a square is equal to 5b square. Okay, it means a square is the multiple of 5, or we can say that 5 can divide a square. 5 divides a square. If 5 divide a square, then 5 divide a. If 5 divide a square, it means 5 divide a from the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic says that if a prime number divide the square of a number, then it divide that number also. Now I can let a is equal to 5c, because a is a multiple of 5, where c is any positive integer. Okay. I can put this value into equation number 1. Means 5c square is equal to 5b square. Put the value of a in equation 1. What you will get? 5c square is equal to 5b square. You cut this, means 5c square is equal to b square. It means 5 divides b square. Again, if 5 divides b square, then the fundamental theorem of arithmetic 5 divides b. Okay, from this to and from here, from second and third, what we get? 5 is the common number between a and b. Here I write that a and b both are co-prime number, means in the common number between a and b is 1. And here I show from the second and third 5 is the common number, means this contradicts my assumption. 5 is the common number between a and b. This contradicts my assumption. This contradict my assumption. This contradicts my assumption. So, whatever I assumed in earlier become wrong. It means under root 5 is an irrational. So, my assumption that is under root 5 is a rational was wrong. Hence, under root 5 is an irrational. Okay, I hope you understand this question. Now come to the question number 2, that is prove that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is irrational. Again, in this question also, I take this one is rational. If this is rational, if I assume this is rational, then what I will do? I equate this one is equal to the a upon b. Okay. Let us assume that 3 plus under root 5 is a rational. As this is rational, then I can write 2 plus under root 5 is equal to a upon b, where b not equal to 0 and a and b are co-prime numbers. I think you know co-prime numbers. Two numbers whose LCM is equal to 1 are known as co-prime numbers. Okay. Now here's plus 3. I move this 3 to here. Now this become 205 is equal to a upon b minus 3. Okay. I can write like this: a is equal to minus 3 b upon b and 2 under root 5. Under root 5 is equal to a minus 3b upon 2b. As we know that when we subtract a rational number from a rational number, we get rational number. And again, when we divide a rational number by rational number, we get rational number. So a minus 3b upon 2b is equal to rational. When this is a rational, then this also becomes rational. Under root 5 is equal to rational. This is rational. It can be. It can. It is possible that under root 5 is rational. No. We know the fact. We know the fact that under root 5 is irrational. Under root 5 is an irrational. This is the fact. This is the fact. Sorry. This is the fact. And this thing contradicts the fact. This contradicts the fact that under root 5 is irrational. This contradiction arises from here. Why arise? Because our assumption is wrong. The assumption we made above is wrong. This contradicts the fact, and this condition arises. And this condition arise because of our above assumption. That is 3 plus 2 under root 5 is a rational. It is wrong. Hence this one is rational. Hence 3 plus 2 under root 5 is an irrational. I hope you understand this question very much.